EUCAR Perspective on Future Sustainable Propulsion. EUCAR is committed to the COP21 Paris Climate Agreement. Our top priority is to reduce the impact of climate change. We are also committed to developing sustainable propulsion technologies that contribute to a higher quality of life in Europe by reducing direct and indirect pollutant emissions from road traffic and advancing the competitiveness of the European automotive industry in the long term and maintaining its position as a major employer. We develop cutting-edge technologies that meet the regulatory requirements and the demands of our customers. Our powertrains will head towards low or zero emissions, but the 2030 propulsion portfolio will be much more diversified than today due to the customer's individual needs and preferences. In urban areas, passenger cars, distribution trucks, and buses will achieve zero emissions. For this, we need to both increase battery capacities and reduce the overall powertrain costs. Smart vehicle technologies are important to provide evidence of zero-emission capability of our new vehicles before entering the inner city. In electric mode, PHEVs ensure zero emissions in urban areas, while combustion engines can still be used for long-distance travels since advanced technologies in ICE-propelled passenger cars and long-haul commercial vehicles will reduce pollutant emissions significantly. BEVs merely represent an additional long-distance option, while FCEVs will complement the propulsion systems in the future. However, in general, the ICE will remain as a core component for PHEVs, HEVs, and advanced combustion engines, while the availability of alternative fuels needs to increase dramatically. Thus, major investments in public fast charging facilities are necessary, and customers have to be able to charge at home or at work. To power FCEVs in the future, further H2 refueling stations will be necessary as well. All types of sustainable propulsion will require renewable energy carriers. Due to the high efficiency, renewable electricity will be used for charging BEVs and PHEVs first. Chemical energy carriers will remain relevant due to their high energy density, but need to become increasingly sustainable. In other words, by introducing synthetic fuels produced from renewable electricity. Above all, we need to create effective regulatory frameworks and uniform standards, because there is no alternative. Pollutant emissions from road transport in general need to be reduced, especially, but not limited to, urban areas.